SaferRide is a smart driving safety application, synchronized between two devices through the DriveMate function, allowing partners to monitor each other's location and driving status in real time. The objectives is to create an app that enhances driving safety with real-time monitoring, to detect and warn against risky driving behavior, to notify drivers of high accident zones using historical data, to provide guidance during heavy rain or floods, and to alert users and their partners when phone battery is critically low or disconnected. SaferRide brings peace of mind to both drivers and their loved ones by combining real-time updates with intelligent safety alerts. It transforms ordinary driving into a secure and monitored experience, reducing risks and improving emergency preparedness.